Have you ever wondered why multiplying powers of 10 is so easy? It almost feels like cheating. Let me show you the trick. When you multiply powers of 10, you just add the exponents. Here's why. Each power of 10 means a 1 followed by a certain number of zeros. So 10 squared equals 100. 10 cubed equals 1,000. Multiply them. 100 times 1,000 equals 100,000. That's 5 zeros and 10 to the 5th power. Let's try 1. What's 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 2nd? Just add the exponents. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the answer is 10 to the 6th power, or 1 million. Quick recap. Same base. Add the exponents. Multiplying powers of 10. Boom. Done in seconds. Hit that like button if math just got easier.